If you're looking for a recipe that your toddlers will gobble up time and time again, you've got to try this broccoli pongal. Nutritious, heartwarming, and delicious, this one is toddler approved. Let's make it. Let's face it, feeding kids can be challenging at times, okay? I am a mom to a toddler, and every single day I'm trying to come up with these creative, nutritious meals that he'll actually eat. And sometimes he does, sometimes he doesn't, but this one has been so popular in our household. My child is a fiend for this broccoli pongal, a variation on the classic South Indian rice dish. But in this case, I'm adding tons of broccoli so that he gets the veg in there. And let me tell you, this goes down a treat every single time. I always have it in my freezer ready to go because you never know when my little broccoli pongal monster will be hungry, okay? So the very first thing that we're gonna do is prep our rice and dal. In a traditional pongal, we usually use only moong dal, but today I'm gonna use a combination of basmati rice, moong dal, and toor dal. Now I'm gonna top the dal and the rice with a little bit of water, and we're gonna rinse it until the water turns cloudy. Then I'm gonna drain and repeat the process until the water runs clear. Now we're ready to prep our pongal. So we're preparing this pongal in one of my favorite tools in my kitchen right now, the Instant Pot. And let me tell you, if you're a parent and you don't have an Instant Pot, consider getting it because it cooks things like dry rice and beans and lentils in no time at all. In fact, this dish is only going to take 12 minutes today. It is incredible, okay? So to my Instant Pot, I'm going to add my drained rice and dal, and we're going to top off with a little bit of water. Then I'm gonna add a ton of chopped broccoli. This is your chance to get those veggies in. Now I'm not gonna do a thalipu or tadka for this pongal, so I'm just gonna add those ingredients directly into the pot. We're going in with some grated ginger, a little bit of cumin, some butter, and salt and pepper to taste. Now I'm gonna close the lid of the Instant Pot, select pressure cook, and set the time for 12 minutes. Once it's cooked, I'm gonna allow the pressure to release naturally, and then I'm gonna remove the lid and stir to combine all the ingredients. Now you cool this down to the temperature your baby prefers, and just like that, our broccoli pongal is ready. All right, it's time for the taste, and today I have a special guest off camera, my son. He has his favorite Peter Rabbit fork. I'm gonna grab a little bit for him. Excuse me while I go feed him. 1 second. All right, try it. Okay, what do you think? Do you like it? Yay, yay. Well, that's a relief, he likes it. No matter how many times I feed him something, I'm always like on the edge of my seat of like, will he eat it? I hope he continues to eat it. But this one always seems to be a winner with him. Let's give it a taste. There's so much broccoli in here, which makes me feel really great about feeding him this. The texture is so creamy and the flavor is super buttery. These are the types of meals that I can feel really great about feeding my entire family. I mean, you have the element of protein from the dal, the lentils, all that broccoli in there, so many great nutrients, that little bit of rice, and of course that butter and the spices to bring everything together. This is a great one to introduce spices to your child with as well. So if you want to experiment, maybe with a little bit of cayenne chili, you can do that too. This, my friends, is broccoli pongal. Go make it for your babies, go make it for your toddlers, make it for your significant other. This is a great family meal, and then get back to me, let me know how it went, and then hopefully I'll be sharing more baby and toddler friendly recipes with you soon.